Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel APNAGOVTJOB. Today we will discuss the programming and data structure syllabus for Scientist B and Technical Assistant A. Today I will guide you how you can complete the important topics of this syllabus within a 30 days or in a limited time period. We will discuss the possible questions, level of this question. And don't worry, the level of the questions asked from this subject, they are not that much difficult. If you cover your theoretical concept and practice some questions, you can easily attempt these questions. First we will discuss the Scientist B syllabus for programming part. So first we have functions, recursions, parameter parsing, scope and binding. In functions, you have to know the difference between the user-defined functions, built-in functions, and how the functions are declared. For recursion, you know how to calculate the recursive function and what will be the output. In parameter parsing, we have call by value and call by reference. For call by reference, your pointers concept should be clear. Then you can easily solve these questions if they come from the call by reference. And in scope and binding, there is a concept related to local and global variables and how the outputs will change if we write the program in scope and the same program in binding. Next we have arrays, stacks, queues and linked lists. In arrays, there are chances the questions will be asked from character pointers, and in stacks, queues and linked lists, question can be asked from their basic implementation and the differences in their syntaxes. For binary search tree, binary heaps, the question can be comes from the tree traversal, post order traversal, pre-order traversal, how to create the max and min heap, only that much. And for next is the OOPS concept. For the OOPS concept, you should have to know the basic difference in their definitions and the syntax, like how many inheritance types of inheritance we have, what's the difference between the polymorphism, abstraction and encapsulation, and how can we write the code in them. If OOPS concept is difficult for you, then you have to at least cover these subjects, because the most of the questions will be asked from these subjects, from these topics. Okay. If we discuss about the level of these questions will be like of the gate 1 and gate 2 marks. So if you cover your theoretical concepts, you can attempt these questions. The questions are not that much difficult. You can easily, if you grasp your theoretical concept. So for the scientists, we have to focus on pointers, scope and binding, stacks, queues, character arrays, tree traversal, and the maximum 5 to 10 questions can be come from these subjects. So now let's discuss related to Technical Assistant A. If you have noticed, for the Scientist B and the Technical Assistant A, we have the same syllabus. The basic difference is that they have the programming language. If you are familiar with the programming language, then it's good, and if you don't, then you don't have to invest your time in this. You have to cover these questions because I already discussed in Scientific B and that how to prepare for these topics and what topics you have to cover from this. After clearing your theoretical concept, it's really important to practice some questions. So APNAGOVTJOB has provided the test series. The test series link is given in the description for your practice. So please, after covering your theoretical concepts, practice questions, because that is really important for you. For any doubts and queries, comment below and subscribe and like our channel for further updates and information. Thank you.